Bonsai is a challenging and rewarding horticultural activity in which ordinary plants are grown in an extraordinary way. Bonsai Exhibition Garden, established in October 2005, the North Carolina Arboretum's Bonsai Exhibition Garden is a world-renowned garden that displays up to 50 bonsai specimens at a time. Represented are traditional Asian bonsai subjects such as Japanese maple and Chinese elm, tropical plants such as willow leaf fig and bougainvillea, and American species such as bald cypress and limber pine. Of particular importance are the plants native to the Blue Ridge region, such as American hornbeam and eastern white pine, which enable the Arboretum to bring the thousand-year tradition of bonsai home to the mountains of western North Carolina. Interpretive signage throughout the garden conveys information about the art and history of bonsai, and the Arboretum's own creative approach to it.